In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your project from Base44 quickly and easily. Before we begin, just a quick note, exporting your project requires a premium subscription. So if you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade first before this option becomes available. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the project you want to export inside Base44. Make sure you're in the correct project before moving to the next step, especially if you have more than one workspace or app built in your account. Once the project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a three-dot menu there. Click on those three dots to open the project options. This menu usually contains extra actions and settings for the project, including export tools. After the menu opens, look for the option that says Export Project as Zip. Click that option to start the export process. Base44 will then package your project into a zip file so you can download it and keep a local copy. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a few moments to prepare. Once it's ready, your browser should download the zip file automatically or prompt you to save it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your project from Base44. Just remember, this feature is available with a premium subscription, so if you don't see the export option, that's the first thing to check. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Base44 guides like this one.